And this is Superior room. This Superior A, right?
A, sir.
Okay, so this is Superior A. As you can notice, it's a much bigger room. Bigger bed, bigger TV. You have a big fridge. Not sure what's behind here. The window. You have your router here. Your safety deposit box is in the closet, as usual. Same type of safe in the other room. I don't think I got to show you. But yep. Closet is roomy. This is for those who need more space. I will include the prices in either the thumbnail or the comments. It's all connected. So yes. Big closet. And now here's the CR. I'm not sure what this stand here is for, but yeah. Hot water, your toilet bowl, your sink. You have your water dispenser here. You have a microwave. You have your 2 cups. So pretty much, it's kind of the same. Oh, and you have your table here. The room after the standard room, I think it's the deluxe room. The deluxe room also has a table, so it's a little bigger, and it's 1.3. I believe this one is 1.650, something like that. 1.8. So yes, so 1,800 is for this room. All right, and that's it. This is Ariel Pence signing off from Tiger Hotel, Superior A. Adios.